Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be showing how to generate the test cases using the Blast and AI powered test agent. Before that, make sure you have an account and then you've logged in and make sure you are connected to these tools, Jira and LLM. GitHub is not required to generate the test cases. So go to the create test cases page, and this is how this page looks like, and these are the options available. Right. So here you have Jira ticket option to generate the test cases. You can manually paste the requirement, or you can browse Confluence. So if you click on the browse Confluence, you will see all the documents, test plan documents, or any requirements available in the Confluence. So but this is one of the test plan that we have created in our previous video while generating the test plan, right? So you can either select this test plan document and you can generate the test cases. But throughout this session, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Jira ticket only, because I have created one real time kind of project. I have a test account and I have created a demo project. This is the release I have created. uh, Sauce demo core shopping flow. This is the release, and this is the epic. These are the user stories. These are subtask and task. So I'm using ATP10 because I have randomly picked one user story which has this requirements. This is the acceptance criteria, and we have a couple of subtasks associated with it. And this is also, we also have the parent link to it. This is the epic, right? So I'll be using this one to create the test cases. Simply go back to the, yeah, test case creation page and search. When you search, you will see the summary of the Jira, and you will also see the tickets associated with that. You see three tickets aggregated. One is the epic, and two are the child items that I showed you. So these are the two. So sorry, these are the subtasks. Okay. So what it is going to do now, if I click, I have searched and I got all the details of the Jira. So this is the main ticket, the ATP10 requirement scope and acceptance criteria, and these are the two child items, ATP7 and the details it has, everything, and ATP14 and ATP15. So ATP7 is the epic. It is not going to consider the epic. It is only going to consider the subtask ATP14, and so you see this acceptance criteria and all. We got everything. All right. So it is going to not only going to create the test cases for ATP10, it is going to create the test cases for the subtask also. I mean, like, it is going to consider the requirements in that, right? Okay, so I'm getting one more option message over here that test cases already exist for ATP10. Saved and so date, view library. You are still generating fresh test cases. Yes, because previously I have already generated the test cases for this. That's why it is showing me, and it is available in the library. If I click on view library, it is going to take me to the test artifacts. Okay, and you see ATP10, and this is the version one that I've created test cases 11, and for for another version I've created 16 test cases. By providing some instructions, I've generated test case. That's why it's showing 11. Now this is for full ATP10. It has generated the test cases. Okay, I'll come to this part. So let us generate the test cases first. So I'm going to generate the first test cases, and it will create another version. And okay, and again you can provide the you can paste the requirements over here if you don't have Jira ticket or Confluence, or you can give the instructions like generate only functional test cases, or generate only 5 UI related test cases, or focus only on the mobile testing, something like that. If you give that, then it is going to create test cases only for that instructions. It is not going to create for the whole desktop or anything. I mean, like, as per the instruction, it will create. These are few other options: shared prerequisite, business rule, widget, additional context. So what you can do here, you can provide the steps explicitly. If you wanted to add few additional steps like login to so navigate to the demo site, log into username password, and user is on the home page, something like that. If you feel that these steps going to repeat in all our test cases, so you can put it here. But internally it is going to take care. Explicitly, if you want to add something, you can give it here. Same thing, widget also, you can add something explicitly. You can add, like, you are creating test cases for the dashboard card, you can mention over here. But internally it is going to take care. All right. So now let us generate the test cases, and let's see. I'm clicking generate test cases. All right. So we have seen the analyze gap first. So that one, if we hit that before generating test cases, it is going to go through all the requirement, and it is going to show you the gaps, like the gaps we have seen in the test plan document, right? And you can take those items. You can go back to your BA. You can find all the gaps, and you can come back here and you can paste it, paste those gaps over here, and again you can generate the test cases. But right now I have generating. test cases without any gaps. Okay, yeah, see, it has generated all the test cases. It has generated 16 test cases. All right, and it will show the type, execution tag, priority, and everything. All types of test cases it has created. UI boundary, functional, negative test cases, everything it has created. So behind these, I have provided set of prompts, set of rules. It is going to follow all the prompts, rules, some anti-hallucination rules I have provided. So it is not going to create any other test cases that are not set in my rules. Okay, so it has some strict rules. All right, so this is how the test cases are generated. And let me click on save to library. Yeah. So while saving, it is giving me that message saying that test cases already exist. There are two versions. Latest version is this one. And if you want to update the test cases, you can click OK or click cancel to create the version 3. So let me click cancel. So it will create version 3. Okay. See, saved it to library. Either you can, or you can download the test cases in Excel. It will be in direct Zephyr format right now. You can import it and you can export it to Zephyr directly, or you can download as a .md file. Okay, the test cases are now generated. Let us go to the library. So this is the library, and let me just hit the refresh button. You see V3, it has created 16 test cases. Let me click. Okay, these are the test cases. Now, if you want to view the test cases, just click on every test case. It has given the tags and type of test cases also over here. Now, see, this is verify add to cart button changes to remove after adding product, right? So this is a functional test case. Prerequisite, it has taken by itself. We have not given, right? So user is logged in and on the inventory page, so and so, and cart is empty, all right? And this is the test data like product, sauce lab, backpack, something, and this is steps. Locate sauce lab backpack product, click on add to cart button for sauce lab backpack, and this is the expected result. The add to cart button text for sauce lab should be removed. All right, isn't it excellent, guys? We have not done anything, right? We are making use of LLM here, and it is going to take care all the prompts and the rules. It is going to read those, and it is going to generate. So it has created all types of test cases over here. You can go through all the test cases. You guys can give it a try. All right, guys, if you are in a QA, test automation, or software engineering, I would like to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment if you found this video useful. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.